Homeowners, are you thinking about renovating your home for future resale? Let's explore the top 5 renovations that can boost your investment's value. I'm Leah Beaulieu, and this is BJ Rodgers with Coast to Coast Properties and eXp Realty. If you're a homeowner aiming to sell, you might be pondering the best ways to improve your property for a higher return. Here are some valuable tips.
Paint color. The power of fresh coat of paint cannot be underestimated. Opt for neutral colors as they appeal to a broader range of potential buyers without straining your budget.
Curb appeal. First impressions matter, and that's where curb appeal comes into play. Create an inviting exterior that captivates passerby with well-placed lighting, landscaping, and thoughtful planting.
Ongoing maintenance. Regular home maintenance and repairs are essential to preserve your property's value. If you're not a do-it-yourselfer enthusiast, consider hiring a professional. Maintaining your home ensures its value remains high while you're living there and when it's time to sell.
Kitchens and bathrooms. These areas are often the first to catch a buyer's eye. Renovations don't have to break the bank. Simple updates like new cabinets, appliances, and fixtures can make a significant difference.
Scents. Don't underestimate the importance of a pleasant smelling home. Regularly clean and maintain carpets. Keep the exterior free from odors and ensure your space passes the sniff test. For more guidance in navigating the ever-changing real estate market, don't hesitate to reach out to me and my team. We're here to assist and guide you on your journey to a successful home sale.
I'm Leah Beaulieu.
And I'm BJ Rodgers with Coast to Coast Properties and eXp Realty, matchmakers of homes for buyers and sellers. As always, please like our page, share our video, or comment below if we can help you.